Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how to install Ubuntu Server. Okay, so before starting, if you haven't installed your ISO, you can just go ahead and Google and search for Ubuntu Server. So I'm gonna choose the previous version, either 24 or 22. We can choose it. So let it get download. Okay, so it's gonna take us a little bit time to get download according to your network speed. Okay, since I have already installed it, I'm not gonna install it again. Okay, so let me just open VMware Workstation Pro. Okay, so I have already installed few. So I'm just going to create a new virtual machine. Next, just going to choose the installer disk, Ubuntu Live. Next, I'm gonna give Ubuntu Server, location of your choice. Let me give my this PC to server. Think yes. Next, I'm gonna give let it be 20. Later on, we'll just try to add some more disk and we can configure some of the LVM. So let it be there. Let me keep 20 GB and store virtual disk at any a single file. Okay, next, customize the hardware. So it is in NAT, so let's make it as bridge and everything seems to be fine. Let it be 4 GB. Okay, close it and finish. Click on enter, continue without updating. Done, 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 done. So just give tab, done, done. Continue, and you can give the name as rain code. Sorry, you can give a name as whatever you want to according to your convenience. So I'm just going to be give as primary rain code. Enter, done. So skip for it now, done. Space, done. Tab, done. So you can just view the full log if you want. So now just go for the tab, close, and give reboot now. Just give enter. So give the username and password. And yes, you're in, right? So your IP address is 1.7. So what you can do is you can just open your command prompt or your terminal, right? And you can just give SSH and the username and the IP address 7. Give a yes and the password. So yep, we are inside the server and here we can just install anything we want, we can update, and you can do your Linux task over here. Okay, so see you in the next video.